Guys, so it's Nicola, and we are going to do another Rubik's Cube solve video. So to scramble it up, there's online for the 3x3, by the way. This is a special, if you didn't watch the other ones, special Rubik's Cube off Amazon. It's made for speed, like for the people who are cool and do the competition. So I'm going to be doing this, and what I do is I scramble it. There's a website. I'll put it in a link. It's just Rubik Scrambler, and then it gives you like different scrambles. So I do it. It'll follow, like, so I go and scramble it up based on the steps, and I go like this. I go and inspect is like you know how when people solve, they go like that. Inspect is when you go like this, you see where the pieces are, but you're not like moving it, like you're not like turning it yet. And then after inspect, you go and put the cube. So you put the cube down, and then you go, and then you solve it. So sometimes you can put inspect, it says 1 second, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. I put it on 10. So right now, I'm not gonna like show you when I'm scrambling it, because it's just gonna be like, so it's gonna be boring. So I'm gonna scramble up the first one. Okay, so now I scrambled it up, like the whole like thing I just told you. I'm gonna put in, and I'll put a screen record on this too. Okay. So I got the recording set up of the screen, and I'm gonna start it right. So I scrambled here. I'm not making it up. I scrambled it up. Now I am going to start to inspect on 10. And I want to make sure I hit film. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to start inspect now. So now you should see it on the screen. So ready? 10, and I haven't solved this cube in a while. 7, 2, 2. No. Okay, that gives me 151. What happened is I like got stuck, and for a second my cube locked up. So I probably would have had maybe like 149. So, and then it'll give me a best, worst, and average, but right now I don't have any other. So this is my best and my worst, because this is my first. So I'm gonna go from the second scramble, the one that says 2, and this little thing here is what I use when I said I'm scrambling it, like I'm turning it. So so I'm gonna scramble it, and I'll be back. Alright, so I scrambled it, the second one, this one, I showed you. Now I'm gonna put inspect on 10 again. Ready? This is close. I would say this is, oh, let me hold it here so you can see it. This, I would say, because this is how close it was to. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and I'll show you 3 right here. So I'm gonna do all the steps and I'll be right back. Okay, so I scrambled the third one right here. So now I'm gonna do 10 seconds. So now it'll show me, it's this little graph performance now, because I went down. Usually down is a bad thing, but down is actually a good thing because down means less time. So I'm gonna start third scramble. Go. Excuse me. Ooh, 2:30, 2 minutes and 30, 2:30, 2 minutes and 30.92. I was sitting there, I think you guys saw it, there was like this middle layer piece that it's trouble getting. So that was obviously not so hot. So I'm gonna go scramble up the fourth one right here, and then, okay, so I'm ready to start the scramble for the fourth solve. And let me see, ready, set, go. I mean, not the scramble, I meant to inspect, sorry. Cross your fingers. gonna stop. I accidentally hit inspect again. I'm gonna stop it and then delete the fifth one. Now my best is 140, average is 230. I mean, worst is 230, and then average is 156. So now I'm gonna do the final scramble, aka 5. So this is final scramble right here, and get back. I'm ready to do the fifth solves. I'm gonna put inspect on and do what I said. Ready? Click on, done. Go. Oh my god. I almost dropped it. So now the fifth solve is done. That gives me 1.56.45. Let me zoom it in now. Excuse me. Here, let me move my cube. Best is 140.00. Worst is 2 minutes and 30.92. Average is 1.56 and average of 5. 156.80. But then just say I did 6. Then it would be average of 5. So they're the same because I've only done 5 solves. But that, like, probably the face when it almost dropped it during the last solve. But that was super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this isn't part 1. This may be part 3. I can't remember. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see ya. Bye.